I'm Robert Markey. I've been doing woodworking for many years, and we're going to talk about how to chisel a mortise. And before you can chisel your mortise, you want to drill it. And you're going to usually do it in the drill press, so the holes are right nice straight down to the proper depth using the stop. Okay, then you get the right size chisel, which should be just a little bit smaller than the width of your mortise. And go down the sides. And the trickiest is the corners. You want to put the chisel a little bit to the inside of the line, so when it forces it back, it's not going to go over the line. And then when you get most of that chiseled, stuff comes out. And you can do it by hand to make the sides smooth, right to your line. And then you can go right down that end. So you have nice square corners, square smooth sides. And there you have it. I'm Robert Markey, and we've just chiseled a mortise.